Hello, everyone.
Hi, guys. Welcome back.
Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very, very happy.
Today's topic is very important.
Very important and very useful in real life.
Today, we will learn how to talk about your feelings.
Yes, how to talk about your feelings in English, in a natural way.
Not difficult English.
No, simple English.
Slow English.
Clear English.
So you can listen, relax, and learn.
Maybe you are cooking,
Or driving.
or lying on your bed.
Or just relaxing.
That's perfect.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
It helps us a lot.
And it helps you learn more English.
Okay, let's begin.
Alice, today I feel a little tired.
Oh, really?
Yes, a little tired and maybe a little stressed.
That is very real.
Yes, many people feel like this.
So today, we will help everyone say this in English.
Exactly.
First, let's learn
A very common question.
The question is, how do you feel?
Let's say it together, slowly.
How do you feel?
One more time.
How do you feel?
Good.
Alex, how do you feel?
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Yes.
Simple.
Very simple.
Now, let's learn some basic feeling words.
Yes, very useful words.
Happy,
I feel happy.
sad,
I feel sad.
angry,
I feel angry.
tired,
I feel tired.
excited,
I feel excited.
nervous.
I feel nervous. Let's repeat together, slowly.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Very good. Alice, let's make a small story.
Yes, a simple, real-life story.
Okay. Yesterday, I went to work.
Okay.
In the morning, I felt happy
Why?
because I drank coffee.
Yes, coffee makes people happy.
Yes, very happy.
Me too.
But later, at work,
What happened?
my boss gave me a lot of work.
Oh no.
Yes, too much work.
So how did you feel?
I felt stressed.
I felt stressed.
Yes. Then what happened?
In the afternoon, I made a small mistake.
Oh,
Yes, a small mistake, but I felt very bad.
so you felt...
I felt sad and a little nervous.
I felt sad and a little nervous. This is very natural English.
Yes, this is how people speak in real life.
Not perfect, just real.
Exactly.
Now, let's help the listener.
Yes, you.
Think about your day.
Today, how do you feel?
Are you happy?
Are you tired?
Are you stressed?
Say it out loud.
Say, I feel.
I feel. Pause. Feeling.
Good.
Alice, sometimes people don't know what to say.
Yes, they feel something, but no words.
So we will help them more.
Let's add a little.
Good idea.
I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired.
I feel a little sad.
I feel a little sad.
This sounds soft and natural.
Yes, not too strong.
Now, let's add very.
Oh, yes, strong feeling.
I feel very happy.
I feel very happy.
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired.
You always feel tired.
Hey, life is hard.
Now, let's practice a conversation.
Yes, like real life.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm okay, but I feel tired.
Why? I didn't sleep well. Oh no, I feel bad for you.
Thank you.
Now your turn.
Yes, listen and answer.
How do you feel today?
Good.
Very good.
Alice, sometimes we want to explain more.
Yes, not only I feel tired, but why?
Exactly.
I feel tired because I worked a lot.
I feel tired because I worked a lot.
I feel happy because I saw my friend.
I feel happy because I saw my friend.
Let's repeat slowly. I feel happy because
I feel happy because
I feel sad because.
I feel sad because.
Very good.
Now, let's make it fun.
Yes, small funny moment. Alex, how do you feel?
I feel hungry.
Hungry? That's not a feeling.
It is a feeling. My stomach is talking.
Okay, I understand. Sometimes we mix words. Yes, that's okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Now, let's learn one more useful phrase.
I feel better.
Good one.
Yesterday I felt sick,
Oh no,
but today I feel better.
I feel better.
Repeat with me.
I feel better.
I feel better.
And the opposite. I feel worse. I feel worse.
Alex, how do you feel now?
I feel better.
Good.
Because I am talking to you.
Aw, thank you.
Now, let's do a longer conversation.
Yes, like real friends. Hi, Alex. You look quiet.
Yeah, I feel a little sad today.
Oh, why?
I miss my family.
That's normal.
Yes, I feel sad because I miss them.
What can you do?
Maybe I can call them?
Good idea.
Yes, I think I will feel better.
You will feel better.
This is real English.
Very useful for daily life. Now, let's repeat key phrases slowly.
Yes, very slowly.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel stressed.
I feel stressed.
I feel happy because.
I feel happy because.
I feel sad because.
I feel sad because.
I feel better.
I feel better.
I feel worse.
I feel worse.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Yes, really great. Before we finish,
Let's ask a question.
yes, for you. How do you feel today? Tell us. Write in the comments
I feel.
and tell us why.
We love reading your comments,
Yes, we read them.
and we learn about you.
You are part of this family. Thank you for learning with us. Thank you for your time. See you in the next lesson.
Bye bye.
Bye. Take care and feel happy.